Oh, pretty little bird, pretty little bird. I'm strong but fragile, so unprepared. Pretty little bird, pretty little bird, sing about what you have heard. Sing of a heaven in angelic chord, for those that leave our side but didn't wanna go. I dream and I cry, I'm holding on to our time. Oh, pretty little bird, sing for me a song of love, a song of peace, so pure, so free. Oh, pretty little bird, sing for me. Pretty little bird, pretty little bird, what secrets ride upon your wings? Pretty little bird, pretty little bird, do they carry your mystery on the breeze? I dream and I cry, I cherish our time. Oh, pretty little bird, sing for me a song from heaven, so pure, so free. Oh, pretty little bird, sing for me. Have you come, your wings outstretched for my friend to climb upon? Will you fly away now this day is done? Will you disappear into the sun? I feel my tears that fall like rain. My heart just wants a life left the same. Oh, pretty little bird, sing for me a song of heaven. Someday I'll see. So pure, so free. Oh, pretty little bird, sing for me. Oh, pretty little bird, sing for me a song from heaven.